the Redmi Note 10 series, will be launched tomorrow. But that does not mean that leaks of the smartphone on the eve of the announcement would stop. The Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has its main details shared on Twitter by leaker Ishan Agarwal. We see the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max in official renderings showing the design, keeping the set of 4 rear cameras in a 1:1 arrangement, with the main lens highlighted, 2 smaller lenses in the center and another highlighted lens just below. The smartphone will be sold in 3 color options, grey, orange and light blue, offering a glass back cover and a matte finish. As for the specifications, it is revealed that the model will have a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120Hz, which is already expected due to the teaser released by Xiaomi. The Note 10 Pro Max will be the largest of the trio, since the Note 10 has a 6.43-inch display and the Note 10 Pro will arrive with 6.53 inches. As for the processor, Xiaomi will continue to use the same Snapdragon 732 chip, which is also present in the Redmi Note 10 Pro. For the camera set, we have a main sensor of 108 MP, an 8 MP ultra wide angle lens, a macro lens of 5 MP, and a 2 MP depth sensor. The selfie camera will be 16 MP. The Note 10 Pro Max will feature a 5020 mAh battery with 33 watts of fast charging. In addition to offering stereo speakers for more immersive sound, IP52 certification for splash protection, and an infrared sensor. The new generation of the Redmi Note series will be presented tomorrow on March 4th. Now let's talk about the Asus ROG Phone 5. While leaks already pointed out that the Asus gamer smartphone would be extremely powerful, a new record shows that this may be the first smartphone in the world with 18 GB of RAM. The reason for this suspicion lies in the benchmark record in the Geekbench, which shows some information of the i005DB model, including the motherboard codenamed Lahaina, which features the Snapdragon 888 5G processor, the launch with Android 11, and the inclusion of the 18 GB of RAM. If the registration is correct, then the ROG Phone 5 will be the world's first smartphone equipped with no less than 18 GB of RAM, surpassing all of its competitors with Android. The ROG Phone 5 will be presented by Asus on March 10 and promises to offer a generous 6000 mAh battery with 65W fast charging, a 6.7-inch display with a refresh rate of 144Hz, a 64 MP camera, and more. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. And if you want to support me on Patreon, the link is given in the description. And I will see you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.